Welcome to CAdesk Task Management, a powerful tool designed for chartered accountants to manage tasks efficiently, whether your team is in office or remote. Open Task Management. Access the Task Management section to view all existing tasks. Start a new task. Select Add Task to begin creating a new assignment. Choose a category. Pick the relevant category to organize the task properly. Assign a user. Select the team member responsible for completing the task. Task title. Provide a clear, concise title for easy identification. Task description. Add a brief summary explaining the task details and requirements. Click on Select Client to assign the task to a team member under that client. Assign to client. If the task is for a specific client, link it to that client so it's clearly associated with their work. Next, set the priority level. Choose high, medium, or low depending on the urgency of the task. Once all the details are entered, click on Add Task. The new task will be created and visible in the listing. Here, you can see the task listed along with all other tasks. From this page, it's easy to track, filter, and manage everything in one place. You can also filter tasks priority-wise, making it easy to focus on high-urgency items first. Select High Priority to see the most urgent tasks that require immediate action. Choose Medium Priority to track tasks that are important but can be scheduled accordingly. And finally, Low Priority shows tasks that are less urgent and can be completed later. Filter tasks by service type. For example, you can view only tasks or just service requests. Click on Select Type again to specify the type of task. Then, click on Select Type once more to confirm your choice. Filter by user to quickly check the tasks assigned to any specific team member. Click on Select User again to choose a user for filtering. Use the status filter to view tasks based on their progress, pending, in progress, or completed. Click on Select Status again to choose a specific status type. You can also toggle between new and old tasks, making it simple to review the most recent ones or revisit older entries. Click here again to adjust your sorting preferences.